Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, are you good? Holy, bro! Bro. Dude, I almost hit you, bro. Dang, man.
God damn it!
Holy crap, bro.
Are you good? I'm fine.
Dang, man.
My whole fucking bike. I just fucking bought it, dude. Are you serious? We're good. Yeah, we're fine.
Holy, dude.
Good thing I can take a fucking beating, eh?
Yeah, bro, I guess. You sure you're alright, man? You went in fast, bro.
I'm okay.
I just hope you ain't hurt, but don't realize it, man. I don't know how to get that out of there.
It's not even rideable home.
Probably not.
I bet you it is. Huh? I bet you it is. That wheel don't look good.
I mean, if the suspension ain't too bad, you're probably good.
You didn't set the forks back. It don't look like it. You know how to get the fuck out of here.
Dude, it's gonna take a lot of people to get this out, bro.
Hey, you got strong boys down there?